Okay, so one of the tests I'm going to do that I've seen on a different channel, and since I don't have a specific load tester for batteries, I'm just going to use my multimeter. I'm going to attach these alligator clips to the terminals. I think I can probably, I don't know where the best spot is. That looks like it's a good spot. Alright, let's see what kind of a connection we got. Try to put those out of the way. And alright, so I might be getting slightly different connection, maybe not as good as I did before with just pressing the leads into it, but you get the general idea. So now I'm going to start the car up. I'm going to see what this does. From what I understand, it should not drop below 9 point something. I'm going to say 10. It should not drop below 10 point something as I start it up. And we are going to see what happens. I do not have somebody to do this with, so I'm just going to go in, start it up, and hope the camera doesn't fall over. Okay, that was slightly scary. I'm going to see the results when I look back at this. But as I started it up, I saw the camera wobble all over. And I was just waiting for my iPhone to come flying off and bust. But I am going to disconnect this. You guys know more than I do right now. I don't even know what the readings were. So you guys actually know something I don't know here. Well, I'm sure you know all sorts of things I don't know. But I'm going to get this out and put it in the computer, look at it, and see what I have. So I've been watching this guy called Eric the Car Guy. I've been really enjoying his videos on YouTube. This battery is pushing 6 years old, and I wanted just to make sure that it was still good before winter comes along. And watched one of Eric the Car Guy's videos on battery maintenance and taking care of a battery. I'm just using the regular multimeter. It's a cheapo one. And he's saying somewhere around 12.6 or above is good. So then one of the other things he had you do was see if there was any and he demonstrated this in his battery, or with his battery, and had a major draw. And I thought, okay, I know my battery's getting dirty. I'm gonna check that out and see what it does. So if I touch red to positive, black just to all the scuzz on the outside of it, and look at how that jumps around. It's pretty amazing, depending on where I put it, what I'm getting. Yeah, 8.7. That might be my highest. Oh my goodness, 9.25. I don't know if the camera is showing, if I'm videoing it, but that's on the far left side. I'm getting real close to the ground or the negative terminal. So that might be why that one's reading so much higher. That's on the strap down. I just thought that was pretty dang cool, though. Not cool as in, I want to keep it like this, but cool as in, I learned something from Eric the Car Guy. And I hope you guys will check his channel out. I think he is definitely worth watching.